We release new versions of Zentail constantly, sometimes rolling out multiple features in a single week. To make sure you hear about the most interesting of these changes, this video will kick off a monthly series where we show you the highlights in Zentail development each month. We'll keep things short and sweet and direct you to the more detailed resources of the more complex features where applicable. First up, scheduled reports. The most notable feature in the last month would have to be the scheduled reports function. From the import-export page, click Create Report. Select a report template as normal, and in the second step, check the box marked Scheduled. This gives you the ability to create these reports on a set schedule, and to select a number of email addresses to send the reports to on a cadence that you select. For more detailed information on this feature, see its dedicated video. It's now possible to customize channel attributes for all possible field values on any given channel. Smart types will primarily take care of all needed attributes for all channels. However, if you wish to control this on a field-by-field basis, this is now possible. You can do this on the product level if that smart type already includes that attribute field, or if not, Quick Edit or Import-Export can do the job. A new option has been added to the Account Settings page, under the Company User Management tab. You can now control whether a user has access to shipping data, in addition to the billing and sales data. By default, this will be on for all accounts that already exist, but restricting this information is now possible per user. We've increased the amount of HTML supported in Amazon descriptions. It's now possible to use strong or bolded text, line breaks, margins, lists, and unordered or bulleted lists. There are a number of improvements to our integration with Shopify specifically. The MSRP will now be sent if pricing sync is enabled. An option to use MSRP as compare at price was added. The company name field will now be imported, and feed messages can now be viewed and examined as easily as on other channel integrations. Finally, and this is more of an internal system that will benefit all of our partners, we now track orders from all accounts live and in real time in a single location, watching for patterns that indicate either market or channel trends, or keeping an eye out for sudden changes or stalls in orders moving through the pipe. On the reliability side, this can alert us to problems before they're noticed by any other party, and allow us to begin work to address them as soon as possible. On the functionality side, this lets us more accurately monitor trends in specific or across multiple channels, and gives us additional insight that we can pass on to our partners. We will keep you updated with the most interesting and useful items for our releases each month. Make sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified when we release new content.